Thank you, Marika.
They also have a uniform, so
Thank you. Hello, dear colleagues. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indira Korganbayeva Indira. I'm from Aqbobek. I work at Aqbobek International School. And where's my presentation? Malika. So Aqbobek International School has been open since 2020, and there are approximately 695 students. Okay, and my theme is game-based learning. Malika, where's my presentation? My presentation.
Oh, sorry, yes. Just a second.
Today, my theme is about game-based learning approach in primary math. So I has been teaching by Singapore methodology in 3 subjects: math, phonics, English, and science. So I have just 2 months experience. Okay, so now what's happened? Okay, our mission is building. What happened? Okay. Okay, our mission is prosperous communities through preserving national values and fostering global citizenship. So my category teacher expert and life position knowledge is power, and getting service, principle in service, and get along with children. So now let's continue. Please help me. Okay. Now I'm excited to share 6 valuable life hacks. You know, math can be fun with games, yes? So before exploring games, let's understand what is the game-based learning. Game-based learning is teaching and learning that uses games and interactive activities, yes? So when I was learning about GBL, I came across some interesting facts. Please, let's slide next slide. Interesting facts and references. You can scan this QR code and you can find these references and facts. Okay, and I want to focus on just one of the fascinating facts. It's stealth learning. Please, next slide. Stealth learning. What is the stealth learning? Stealth learning is an aspect of game-based learning in the concept of stealth learning, hidden education. So just it's all about students learning that's they without realizing it. So if you want to learn more about these facts, you can scan and find there are some references and you can read. Okay, and the next slide. And the notable characteristic of the Singapore approach is start with easy, yes, and move to harder things. So children begin with concrete, using the physical objects to solve math problems. The next is pictorial, using the drawing, solve problems. Then abstract, solving math problems using only numbers. So before exploring games, I will give you some paper sheets. So you can write here the activity's name and the instructions, okay? Яғни сіздер мында ойынның атауын жаза аласыздар және нұсқаулықтарын. Okay. And now look at the screen. Look at the screen. Okay. What can you see? Fingers. Okay. 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 Let's do this as a picture. Let's do like use your both hand. Okay. For example, 5, 2. Okay. Next. This is the first. It's a warm-up activity. This is a brain booster activity. You need paper or markers, or you can use this grid I have prepared for you, and you should point fingers. Okay. For example, 2 and 3, and name loudly. Okay. Okay. Clear? Okay, let's try it. You should use both hands.
2, 3.
Yes. Loudly.
2 and 2.
2. Yes.
4 and
1.
5 and
3.
4 and
1.
1 and
1. Great job. Okay. Please.
Okay.
Yes.
With this one, I will do like this.
2.
And this one, I will do like this.
5 and 3. Can you?
Okay. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this.
No, you should name the number. Name, yes, name loudly.
2, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3,
Okay.
4, 1.
1, 4, 1. Yes. Okay. 1. Good job. Okay. Where is my presentation?
You can do something different. Yeah, watch me.
Okay. Do you like it? Okay. What skills developed with this game? Motor skills. Okay. Yes. Brain working out. Yes. Okay. What else? Number. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now this is a concrete activity. Okay. Now let's the next game. The next game is called Go Around the Room. So you can find this frame, 10 frames, and if you on the wall you can find pictures with pencils. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Colorful pencil. Okay. Now you should take this felt tip markers and go. Be careful. Each picture has letters A, B, C. Okay. Now, and you should go to the picture and count the pencils. Okay, and write the number. For example, 5, and draw circles. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Okay. Yes. You can work in pairs. You can work in individual. Go, stand up. Go.
Who is it?
Here.
Yes. What you did is right. Yeah, it's right. These
I
are
don't know
points, yeah?
K
Right.
and L. Okay. Okay. There are no K and L. Yeah, no K and L. Just the 2G. Letter G. No K.
I have 2 or 3 interviews.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, great job.
We are the first.
Good job. Okay. I can finish. This game is pictorial game. Now this more children go around the room and it's more interactively game. Okay, so the next what skills develop this game? Mhm. Yes, okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good job. Now, next, okay. You can write the game's name and inside, don't forget. Now next number is again. Need this game needs numbers, number cards, and pocket chart. Can you see the pocket chart? Yes. Let's work in two groups, okay? This is the first group, the second group, okay? Now, the first group, you should put these numbers in order, okay? In order. As the second group, you will check, is it correct or not, okay? Please. Yes, together.
Increasing or decreasing numbers.
You can come and check, please, check this. You are first grade students, don't, okay, remember, first grade students, yeah, it's the game for the first grade students. Okay, now, and first group, please do the task for the second group. You should mix numbers. For example, take this card and mix the numbers, okay? Missing, yes, this is missing numbers. Okay, please come. Second group. The second group should find number for the, where is the number missing, okay? Please go. Okay. Um, what skills can you develop with teaching? Okay.
Ordering now.
What is this presentation? This is what kind of activity? Pictorial, concrete, or abstract? How do you think? Pictorial and abstract, yes. Okay. Now, what subject can you see this pocket chart? In English, yes. With yes, warning with like. Okay. Okay, so is that useful? Yes. Okay, good. The next game, next game, this is counting and addition sum. You can find this sum. Wait, sorry. Sum. This is unusual sum. It's you can see a sum rate here. Yes. The numbers. Okay. And I'll give you dice. Please give some dice. Where's dice? My So you can roll the dice and roll the dice, for example. Wait, first. 5, you should count the dots. 5 and 1. Make 6. And you should cross the find the number 6 and cross it, okay? Let's play. You can work in groups, you can work in pairs. Okay? What's happening?
You know, 3 stars and a star. You know, this is the Philippine flag.
Yeah.
3 stars and a star. 2. Was ready to.
Была вода казахта, это перенесла. Я текстін тұстастайсыздар, я. Сан қосасыздар, қосу керек. Мысалы үшін, 5, екі бірге бірді қосқан қанша болады? 2-ні чертіңіз. So, yeah, you would go.
Okay. Ano ba? Ano yun yan? So the first 5. Let's try first 5. 8 is out, guys. 6, 7, 8 is out. 5 and 1. Oh my God, this is leading. First 5 is well.
Okay. Do you like this game? Okay. Now,
This game again, man. This
addition and counting and addition sum.
counting and addition.
Okay, you can write the name of activity instructions. Okay.
Counting and addition.
Count,
Counting and
addition sum. Please open the presentation.
Nice.
You can okay, you can also use scissors and cut. So you can, and it's dangerous for kids. So I decide to use this markers. Yes, markers. It's more
You can use it for kids.
yeah, safer, yes, for kids, for young learners.
Yeah.
So Okay. How can you use this game? How can we use this game? For example, can we use for subtraction or what else? How can we use additions? Okay. Good. Okay.
Or maybe if we change the numbers indicated in this sign, we can use other fundamentals like multiplication.
Okay. Yes.
Use this in multiplication.
Yes.
The numbers are just 1 to 12. So we can
Okay.
change it like 50, 60, 70, 80,
Yes, yes.
100, or
Okay.
even thousands
Good.
for higher level.
Yes, for higher level. Yes. All these games for first graders.
Yes.
Okay. For first graders, because I teach first grade students. Okay, so that's why. Now next game. Next game is Gumball Math game. So Gumball Math game.
Oh my God.
This is a Gumball Math game. Okay. I have prepared these pictures. You can use this. So you should write here. For example, right here. Is here 7 or 6? Yes. 9, 10, for example, and 1, for example. And children should, according these numbers, draw gumballs. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So okay, you can work in pairs or in groups or individual. Okay, please. Түсінікті ма сіздерге? Яғни сандарды жазасыздар. Аха, сосын жвачканы суреттен салу керек болады. Yeah.
Teacher doesn't want to answer.
Why? It's harder for first grader. It's so harder. It's not easy. Please, please.
It's not higher level, but yeah. Answer. Small. You can also use 1 ball is equivalent to 10. So there will be like 6 balls.
Okay, no
6
problem.
balls and like 1 over like.
Okay.
Do it. 6 balls. 1.
This is like, let's say 20.
20.
And
What about you? Okay. Wow, good job. And please think, how can you use this game another way? For example, this game in addition, in subtraction, please, we can say, okay? How can you use this game? Can you use this game in subtraction? Think.
Show your thumb.
Çünkü bu oyunda kullanmaz. Kullanmalı. Nasıl kullanmalı? Kullanmaz. Sonra böyle yapacakları. Как еще можно? Можно еще, как еще можно ли на edition? Можно? Вот сейчас идеями сейчас будете делиться, может быть. Okay. How can you use this game? Can you use this game? Maybe addition. Think about it, okay?
Недавно я хотела, мы проходили addition stories с учениками, и они придумали различные истории, там такие истории.
Okay.
Decided to bring all of this.
Wow.
Teacher, we can also use this.
Agreement
for differentiation.
Yeah. Okay.
So we don't.
Can you share with the rest of?
Yeah, we
Okay.
can share that.
Okay.
77.
77.
Закон забыли, организовали. Мороженое.
Five, six, seven. Seven, only seven.
Don't forget write the name, game's name and instructions. Okay. Gumball game.
No, that's 346.
Yes. Okay.
Half circle is there. Half circle. Half circle is there. Like one half. Yes. And
So we
seven.
to
Also for the fraction.
Okay. There are some great ideas of using this game. Can you share, please?
Go, we're done. Okay, since this lesson is for first graders, we came up with something for higher level kids, because we know that we are individuals have like individual differences. We have fast learners and some kind of slow learners. So we came up with fast learners will be given specific cards, because if we're gonna use the usual that which is 1 to 10, they will be finishing it for like a minute or two. So if we will come up with the other, like for differentiation, we can give them some other instructions like providing them numbers like 69 to 1000. But we should give them like symbols of, like, for example, one whole ball stands for 10, 20, or depending on the teacher's ideas or discretion. And then we can also include fractions here.
Yeah.
Like, for example, for higher level, we can do like half of the moon or ball, something like that. We could have it like divided into one half, one third, or whatsoever. And then we can, so the smart learners will think totally like being, it will be more interesting for them, because they will really think of those given numbers from the chart. So that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you have any ideas of using? Okay, please.
It's like one of my experiences now. It is like one of my experiences now. It's like kind of individual task for every student, right? So I mean, first you have to evaluate that the level of student, like how good he is, and then according to that, you can just put on questions over here and give it to them individually, so that everybody can do that, right? It's like kind of differentiation.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Anybody?
Do you like this game?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's
So for example, legend is yellow is symbols for 100. 50, for example, red or black is for 10. So we can use this in the double game. That's all.
Thank you. Now, this game is pictorial, abstract, or concrete. How do you think? It's more pictorial, yes? So now the last game, please, my presentation. It's my favorite one. My kids love this game, and this is game math circle challenge game. Please, you can write. Right. Okay, you need two circles. Two circles with numbers. Hmm. In these circles, you can see numbers from 1 to 10, yes? So in this game, for example, I will, where's markers? Markers. For example, I will write here the math problem. For example, 1 plus 1 plus 2, okay? And for example, 1 plus 1 equals? 2. You should write here 2. 1 plus 2 equals? 3. So we will play this game in groups, okay? This will be first group, this will be second group, okay? Now you should come here by one and write the answers, okay? And okay, are you ready? Please come. You can. No. Don't. Okay, are you ready? Come, please. Or okay. Okay, no. Just one answer. Okay, all let's stand in row.
Let's stand in rows, yes.
Yes, let's stand in the rows. Okay, come. Okay. The second. Okay, you can stand here. Okay, or here. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, start. Okay, thank you. Do you like it? Yes. Okay, now how can you use? Okay. Nice. Okay, how can you use this game? Yes. Okay. Is that most abstract activity? Yes. So that's all for today. There's 6 life hacks. Okay. Now, please next. Parking lot. The most please. Where's stickers? There are some stickers, you can use it, and please write here the most useful game and activity I learned today that I could use in my classroom, and 2 things I feel excited about, and 1 thing I'm concerned about. Okay, it's feedback. Where's? Can you write and stick here? Okay, stick here. Make sense? Oh, sorry. Defense? No.
Stickers.
Defense?
Two things I've been excited about.
Or you can tell me about orally.
Yeah, we can discuss it orally.
Можешь это презентацию показать? Презентацию вот эту последнюю. Яғни сіздер мұнда қай ойын ең қызықты болды, қайсысы сізге больше ұнады, иә? Жоқ. Сұрақты көрсетші сұрақты. Және қайсы сізге алаңдатады, сабаққа қолдануға қолайсыз немесе ұнамай қалған ойындар болса, соны жазсаңыздар болады. Қайсы ойынды сіз қолданасыз келешекте? And do you remember you write these activities, yes? And instructions, okay? We start with numbers, just numbers, then we go from easy to harder, yes? It's notable characteristic of Singapore methods. So from easy to hard, yes. And from concrete to abstract. So it's, I like it. And please, you can stick here on the board your answers. Thank you. Thank you for being today. Thank you. I hope that these 6 life hacks will be useful for you, and you can use for your lesson, in your lesson, okay? Thank you.
Okay. Let's give a round of applause to our guest speaker, Indira. This is her first time presentation, so she was a bit anxious at the beginning, but I guess you all like this session, right? So let's show that we actually like that. She needs to present more and more the next time. Yeah. If you have any questions or something to discuss, or maybe some ideas to add, which I don't know, is nice if you are here during this session, then you can add right now or include. Негізі бізде Индира ханым, қанша уақыт болды сізде жатқан? 2 ай болды. She's been teaching Singapore maths for only 2 months, by the way, but I just started noticing in her statuses in WhatsApp, in her Instagram, and then just when we were talking, I just noticed that she needs to speak because she is actually using all of these things in her lessons. Индира ханым 2 ай болса да сабақ беріп жатқанына біз бір рет кездескен кезде сосын қайта статусынан көреміз, оғаннан істеп жатады, сол балалар домалап жатады, допсын істеп жатады, көшігіп бір рет істеп жатады, сразу ойладым, наверное, енді ғана бастаса да бізге Индира ханымды көру керек деп. И оказывается, не зря, я. Сол Индира ханымға көп рахмет. Бізге ең бірінші выступать представка көрсетіп жатыр. Ең бірінші рет сөйлеп жатыр. 2 ай ғана өзі Сингапур несін математикасын сабақ беріп жасады. Жарайсыз, Индира ханым, барлықтарына ұнады деген үміттемін. Егер сіздерде бір қосарларыңыз бар болса, сұрақтарыңыз бар болса, мүмкін бір идеяларыңыз шықса, қазір айтсаңыздар болады. Немесе Индира ханымға да бір мүмкін кеңес бересіз. Maybe you have some advice or some recommendations for Nuclear as well. Anyone? Okay. And also, I have all these handouts you can find the live streaming work with the data. And you can use. And also, I have a question. We are fortunately, I love when we are early. Because we finished early, which is great, which means we have 2 options. We can come back from lunch at 1:30 or at 2 o'clock. Which one you would like? You would like to have lunch for 1.5 hours? Okay, let's vote. Whoever wants to come back from lunch at 2 o'clock, raise your hands. Обедтен сағат 2-де бірақ келем, қыдырып келемін, асықпай келем деушілер қолданып көтеріңіздер. Жоқ, тез бітірейік. Let's start at 1:30, raise your hands. 1:30-да бастайық дегенде қолымыз көтереміз. So by the majority, we have lunch till 1:30. Thank you so much. See you at 1:30. I mean it, 1:30, not 2 o'clock. Так,